business, we in our feelings. It's 50%
The following is a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System.
At 3:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Sunday, Environment Canada has updated a tornado warning for Eastern Ontario. Extra care and attention should be exercised. The following localities are included in the warning: Ottawa South, Richmond, Metcalfe, Westport, Marrickville, Wolford, Campbell, Smiths Falls, Perth, and Eastern Lanark County. Environment Canada meteorologists are tracking a severe thunderstorm that is possibly producing a tornado. Damaging winds, large hail and locally intense rainfall are also possible. Take cover immediately if threatening weather approaches. Please consult local media for more information.
That was a message from the Canadian National Public Alerting System. Now, back to our regular programming.